Alright, this is Mr. Muhammad coming up another video about how to solve linear programming problems. The question says, below is the graph of a system of constraints. Find the value of x and y that maximizes the objective function r of x and y equal 300x plus 600y. And what I'm trying to look for is the point at which r is maximum, the objective function is maximum. And that happens at any of the corners. So how many corners do I have for this shape? So the shaded part is given already, so I have 4 points. So that's the first one. Let's call it point A. Second one, point B. Third, C. And fourth, D. The first thing you need to do is find the coordinates of those points. So point A is at 300 and 0. Point B is at 270 and 30, and it's given already. 270 and 30. Point C is 0 and 120, and point D is obviously 0 and 0. And what we're going to do is we try and find the objective function at all those points. So I'm going to go ahead and do R at A, so I'm going to call it RA, which is going to be equal to 300 times 300, which is the x value, plus 600 times 0, which is the y value. And that gives me 0, 0, 0, 0, and 9. It's going to be 90,000. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. I want to find R at B. Of course, it's obviously R at D is 0, so I can say RD is 0 without solving, because it's x and it's y, it's 0. So RB is 300 times 270 plus 600 times 30, and that gives me, let me use the calculator, 300 times 270 plus 600 times 30, that gives me 99,000. That's even bigger. 99,000. I made a mistake. 99,000. That's higher than A. Moving forward, RC, the objective function at point C, will be 300 times 0 plus 600 times 120, and that gives me 600 times 120 is like 60 times 12, that's 72,000. 72,000. And as you can see, the highest value of the objective functions, of the objective function, appears at point B. So this is your answer. So you will say this function, or I can say it like this, R is maximum. R is maximum at point B, which is 270 and 30. And that's how we do that.